What is divide and conquer?
Divide and conquer is a powerful problem-solving strategy used in computer science. It works by breaking a complex problem into smaller, more manageable pieces, solving each piece independently, and then combining those solutions to solve the original problem. This approach is behind many efficient algorithms used for searching, sorting, and calculating, making it a fundamental tool for programmers.
Key steps of the strategy?
There are 3 main steps in the divide and conquer method: divide, conquer, and combine. First, divide the problem into smaller subproblems. Next, conquer each subproblem, often through recursion. Finally, combine the results from each subproblem to form a complete solution to the original challenge. This systematic approach often speeds up tasks that seem too big to handle at once.
A simple example: binary search.
Imagine you want to find a number in an ordered list. Binary search uses divide and conquer by splitting the list in half, checking the middle value, and deciding whether to search the left or right half. This process repeats until the number is found or the list is empty. It's much faster than checking each number one by one.
Sorting faster, merge sort.
Merge sort is a classic example of this strategy. It divides a list into halves, sorts each half with the same process, and then merges them back together in order. By splitting and organizing in smaller chunks, merge sort can handle even large lists efficiently, making it a favorite in programming.
Why divide and conquer matters?
Divide and conquer is vital because it makes complex problems easier to solve and often leads to faster algorithms. Whether it's sorting, searching, or multiplying large numbers, this method breaks overwhelming tasks into manageable steps. Learning how to use divide and conquer helps programmers write smarter and more efficient code.